so excited to say this. It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here. Let's look at it, it's here. Oh, yeah. Oh, hello. It's good to meet you. It's not pretty outside, but you sure are. Let's go to the unboxing station. Oh, I can't wait. What's up, everybody? I'm Alex Guthrie, and I just got the Fuji X-H1. I'm shooting right now on the Fuji X-T2, and I love it, but I'm a musician as well, so I'm finding myself run and gun, doing a lot more video work than I anticipated. So I thought, pretty good time to stay in the Fuji line and go up to the better video camera. I got mine from Adorama. Usually I get everything on Amazon, but Adorama offered this seemingly cool camera bag with it. It's on back order, so I don't have that to unbox, unfortunately. So, I guess let's dig in, right? Ooh, it's happening. Safety first. Let's put the knife away. Yeah. Don't need that. Let's see. It's got all sorts of like box junk on it. Oh, you look beautiful. You look like every other Fuji box that I have. There we go. Probably not gonna read that. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Ave Maria. Smells like a camera. All right. I guess we just dig in. Okay, right off the bat, it is way chunkier than the X-T2. I was shooting on a Nikon D610 before I switched over to Fuji. I loved having like really thick grip. This is a pretty good happy medium. I really dig this so far. I'm not gonna throw that box. I don't want that one to get damaged. And I've got a closet that is filled to the brim with electronics boxes. All right. How fancy. Good on you, Fuji. You included a good strap. The last one sucked. All right, strap mounts. Are these, is that a quick release for the strap mount? It appears it's not a quick release. We have the cable holder. This snips in, like over here. I like that, that's a nice feature. Don't really know enough about it yet, but it seems nice. We have our standard Fuji battery, the flash that nobody ever uses, and the charger. I think that what's next to do is put a lens on it and see how I like it. Maybe I'll do some B-roll. It's a really crummy day out there. I'll find something. Expect to see some B-roll. If you're thinking about getting the X-H1, I don't have anything to offer you yet as far as wisdom. I loved my X-T2, still love my X-T2. It's unfortunate, I'm selling it tomorrow actually. As much as I'd like to keep the other one as a secondary camera, I couldn't justify keeping them both. With that said, thank you all so much for watching. Again, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. First and foremost, I'm a musician, so I've got live videos, ridiculous skits promoting my shows. So if you like it, you can find me on Spotify, iTunes, Google Play, Pandora, Tidal. Wherever you get your music, you can find me. I will see you guys in the next video.